How to see polls you've created on Facebook. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to find the polls you've created option here on Facebook so you can see all the polls that you've actually created here on Facebook. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So at the bottom of the Facebook app, there's going to be about 6 icons. Now the very last one should be called the menu option, and it should be the one to the farthest right. Go ahead and click on it. Now you should be brought to the menu option here. Now go ahead and make your way to the settings and privacy section here and go ahead and click on settings. Once you go ahead and do that, go ahead and go to the preferences option here, and then the second to last option should say your time on Facebook. Go ahead and click on that. Now go ahead, there should be 4 more options here. Go ahead and click the see your time option and click see time. Now from here, you should be able to see, analytics and stuff. Now at the very bottom, there should be a thing called the activity log. Now go ahead and press see activity log and then head over to interactions. Now do not click manage interactions. Go ahead and untab it. And once you go ahead and untab it, you should get a bunch of options here. Now you're going to want to go ahead and look for the polls you created option. Now you can see here I actually found it. Go ahead and click on it, and then right here you'll be able to see all of the polls that you've created on Facebook, and you could basically manage them here. You could delete them, or you could just basically make them public, or whatever you have to do, right? So essentially that's how you go ahead and find the polls you created option here on Facebook. It is super easy to do, guys, but with that being said, if you haven't already, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.